Okay everyone, today we're going to carry on with the Unity quick tips section. What did I say then? Quick tips, that's what I meant. Okay, and today we're going to look at assigning icons to game objects, because sometimes you can have a game object that doesn't have a visual representation in this in the scene. So if I create an empty one here, let's call it spawn point. Okay, we've got it. We know it's there, but there's nothing really to see. As a best practice there, I'll reset the position, but still we can't see it, and that can become a problem in a busy scene. So what you can do is you can assign it an icon, and the way you do that is you go up here and then you give it a color, and there you go. Now we can see our spawn point. Okay, quite simple, but not everyone knows it's there, so yeah, good.